Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can reset your PlayStation 5 password. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and apps. Right here, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And if you go here to the top, you're gonna find the option to search. Here you're gonna find settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. If you go here to settings, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your device and also your account. So if you click on users and account and you go here to account, right here you're gonna find a lot of options. Right here, you're going to find sign-in ID, security, profile, payments and subscription, address, and communication preferences. If you click on security, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find password. If you click right here on password, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to change your password. Just enter your current password, then your new and confirm your new password. If you don't remember your password, it's pretty easy to reset your password. All you need to do guys is go and click on switch users, then go ahead and click on add user, and then right here you can either click on get started, sign in, or click on quick play. So right now I'm gonna click on get started, click on I agree, and then click on confirm, and then I'm going to sign in manually. So right now I'm gonna add my email address. So just go ahead and add your email address for your account like this, and then let me just finish typing my email address. Then once you finish typing your email address, go ahead and click on done or click on R2 on your controller, and then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, you will need to type your password. So if you don't remember your password, just go ahead and click on can't sign in or click on triangle or on button on your controller. Then once you do that, go ahead and type your email, click on next, and then once you do that, as you can see guys, they're gonna tell you to check your email inbox for a message from us. So basically guys, you will receive an email from PlayStation to change or to reset your password. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.